Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the MSM Video App. First, ensure the MSM Video App is installed on your mobile device. Open the app and you will see the main interface. To begin a new creation, simply tap the prominent plus icon. Next, choose your preferred video dimensions, like a standard 16:9 ratio for wide screens or a 1:1 for social media posts. This sets up your canvas for editing. Once your project is open, you can either record new video directly using your device's camera through the app or import existing footage from your gallery. After adding clips, drag them onto the timeline. Use the yellow handles to trim the start and end points of each clip for perfect timing. You can also split clips, change their speed, or even reverse them for creative effects. Now, let's make your video pop. Explore the wide range of visual filters to give your footage a unique look and fine-tune colors with the adjustment tools. You can also add dynamic text overlays, choosing from many fonts and colors, and even animate them for impact. Don't forget to add background music or sound effects from the app's extensive library to set the perfect mood. Finally, it's time to share your masterpiece. Tap the export button and select your desired resolution, like crisp 1080p, to ensure high quality. You can then share your video directly to popular social media platforms or save it to your device's gallery. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.